She's this way! Don't let her escape! She's this way!
I can't believe it. I'm in Egypt.
Everything you've just seen, from the visual effects that caught your attention to the website you're seeing now, was all created by AI. No expensive equipment, no technical skills, just casual chatting. We simply told AI, create a 1-minute ad campaign. AI then chatted with us to understand what we wanted and created everything you've just seen. You can do it too. Enroll free today. Experience the course first. Pay only if it meets your needs.